Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, I will be showing you a classic whipped mango butter recipe. You can just buy your mango butter and make a bunch for your friends and family this holidays. So, this is a beautiful gift that you can give someone. And you can see our mango butter, it is pure and it's processed using organic clays to filter impurities. So you can definitely rely on our mango butter. And I will be adding some Murumuru butter just because I want it to be soft in the end. And I will be adding some kokum butter. So already when you can see the number of butters I'm adding and the caliber of butters I'm adding, then you know what my end product will look like. So there's kokum butter, which definitely adds a thick and fluffy end product. And I will be adding some cranberry seed oil and some pumpkin seed oil and some of our black castor oil. And I will be adding some essential oils, and that's entirely your choice what you want to add. And I'll be melting it down here as you can see. So when I'm making the seed butter, I like to just pair it up with seed butters. With seed oils. So I'm adding pumpkin seed, cranberry seed. So cranberry seed oil is such a pure oil, and it has a balanced amount of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which makes it very superior in its moisturizing and nourishing characteristics. So I've just added the black castor oil, I believe. And blending oils is always so much fun. I just like to see different colors of oils just mixed together. Making whipped butters and DIY skincare is such a relaxing and rewarding and satisfying experience. So I would definitely encourage you to look into it. If you are not doing your own skincare yourself, definitely look into it. So I'm adding, I believe, the pumpkin seed oil here. So the color is sort of similar to black castor oil. It has that very dark brown color, and pumpkin seed oil is very rich in I believe beta carotene. So the pumpkin itself is very rich in beta carotene. So that's what gives it that dark orange color. So I grow pumpkins in my garden, and I'm always so excited to harvest just one pumpkin because it's such a big fruit, and you just feel like you've done something really great when you were able to harvest just one pumpkin. So here you can see I'm adding the cranberry seed oil. So cranberry seed oil is very rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. I believe it has a balanced amount of the oil, so that makes it very good for moisturizing, and it has a very superior nourishing benefit for the skin and hair because of this omega fatty acid composition. So it is a very nutrient dense oil, and it's good for face care, body care, and it just works great for skincare in general and personal hygiene products. So I've just obviously put it in the refrigerator and brought it out. Those are the steps that I usually go through with my butters. It's only in very rare cases that I do not melt them down, especially in the summer months. In the summer months, you can get away with not even melting the butters, just mash it down and whip it up. That would be a very quick fix. So here I'm just adding some of our organic face and body oil because I always like to set aside some oils while I'm whipping up the butters, just to make sure that I'm able to continue working with the butter and that I'm able to get the texture that I want. So I always recommend setting aside some oils and adding them and adding the oils as you go on, just like I've done here. So I have another video where I make whipped mango butter. Here I'm just making a simple batch because I want people to be able to just make this for the holidays. So I've had a bunch of videos suggesting several holiday gifts that you can make at home for friends and family this holidays. So this one would also make a very good addition to your gift lists. So everyone just likes nice smelling handmade gifts. I remember before I started my business, I used to just love anything handmade. So I find lotion bars, handmade lotion, handmade bath bombs, and everything to me just looked so much more beautiful and pricey when it's handmade. So imagine just whipping up this butter and into a soft, velvety, smooth, fluffy whipped butter, and adding some nice essential oil and making this for your mom or your dad or your kids or your friends and giving it to them this holidays. I'm sure they would really, really appreciate it. So mango butter is usually a go-to for many people when it comes to their skincare needs. So the fact that it doesn't have nuts is icing on the cake. So here I've just decided to add some color using our buriti oil, and you can also just order this oil to color the butter just to add some little bit of touch to your butter, just a touch of just a little bit of oomph. If that even makes sense. Okay, well, that is just a suggestion, and you don't have to add anything. Just whip up your butter, add some nice essential oil, fragrance oil, and it's good to go. So I'm not piping yet these days, so I just put it in the jars and it is ready and done. I hope you enjoy this very simple whipped mango recipe, and I would have the exact measurements and ingredients in the description box so you can try this holidays. Hope you enjoy and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.